My dear Muslim brothers and sisters, at first take my salam. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. I am Muslim, so I come today with Islam because the Islam is the great religion in the world. We cannot live without Islam. And the Quran is the most authentic and original book in the world, whereof there is no doubt in it to guide and those who are muttaqin. And inshallah, if you take it, if you read it, and definitely on your life and success your life, and nobody believes a lie everything about that, and totalize great sins. And so, my dear Muslim brothers and sisters, if you never mind it, and if you want to take for job, yeah, the job is five temporary words, and not only five temporary words, as all time is characters, and characters is a bad habit for humanities, and we think about that, and we know about that. The money loss, nothing loss, health loss, something loss, and character loss, everything loss. So, my dear Muslim brothers and sisters, are you want to be success of your future life, and are you want to good moment for your life, and are you want to enjoy of your life? Definitely, you must need and must need it. And name of Allah Ta'ala. The Allah's name is Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim wal Malik wal Quddus wal Salam wal Mumin wal Muhaymin wal Aziz wal Jabbar Mutakabbir. This is the 10 name of Allah Ta'ala. And inshallah, Allah Ta'ala look everything, Allah Ta'ala know everything, Allah Ta'ala can do everything at a time. So if you try to work as a change of my habit, change your habit, definitely we must need that Iman or Amal in a class. Inshallah, Allah Ta'ala proof of my life, Allah Ta'ala develop of my life, Allah Ta'ala develop for your life. Inshallah, see you next. Goodbye.